Refrigerators, refrigerators, refrigerators. You all love them because they keep your food cool and fresh. For decades, refrigerators have been part of every household, keeping your food cool and fresh. From originally having your food stored in ice-cold boxes to now having computer screens on your refrigerator. Refrigeration might seem like a complicated process, but it truly is easy. Most refrigerators nowadays use electricity, but some even use propane and electricity. Refrigerators even come with filtered water coming out of them and an ice machine. They also come with great lighting so you can see your food. With so many options to choose from today, it's hard to find the right one. So make sure to get the right one because it has been in development for decades just for you. So get your refrigerator today.